The world didn't fall in a single day. It decayed, slowly, in silence. Cities collapsed, skies darkened, and the dead learned how to rule. Humanity didn't lose the war. It simply ran out of time. Among the ruins, one man kept moving. His name was Guy. Not out of hope, but because stopping meant remembering. Every step through the wasteland echoed with ghosts, empty streets, broken steel, a future already buried. Then, a sound, a child's cry, fragile, alive. In a world owned by monsters, hesitation was death. Guy answered instinctively, a presence cutting through the dark. They came from the shadows, twisted, relentless, familiar. Faces he once taught, lives he failed to save. For a moment, Guy's resolve broke. But behind him, a child still breathed. That was enough. Guy stepped forward, not as prey, not as a survivor, but as a wall. The first strike shattered the silence. Light tore the night apart. Guy did not fight with rage. He fought with memory. Pain became motion. Regret became speed. They surrounded him, believed numbers would decide the end. They were wrong. Guy moved like a storm, precise, unforgiving. And with one final arc of light, the siege broke. Silence returned. The dead rested. When the fight ended, the warrior faded, and the man remained. Guy knelt, not in victory, but in promise. As dawn broke over the wasteland, a new oath was forged. In a world that forgot mercy, Guy chose to remember it. And so Guy became a guardian, not of cities, not of empires, but of the last fragile spark of humanity.